Mono. Now, very often in the comprehension, and sometimes in the other bits, but they'll ask you the meaning of a word and they don't expect you to know what that word means, but they want you to work out what it means from looking at the word and looking at the context, the sentence around it. So mono means one. Let's have a look at things where we can come across it. Monogamy means you only have one married partner. Monogamy. So in animals, monogamy is rare. A lot of animals have lots of different partners. In birds, it is very common. That's why seeing one magpie is said to be unlucky, because they have one partner for their whole life. They never change from that. And if one of them dies, the other one stays lonely. They don't find another partner. So monogamy, having just one partner. Monotonous, that's just, supposing if someone talks in a long, boring voice and it just goes on and on and on, you might say it's very monotonous. The tone is the tone of the voice, and it's just got one tone, blah, blah, blah. Monoglot, I'm a monoglot, only speaks one language. I think glot comes from somewhere meaning tongue. So you've only got one tongue, but a monoglot speaks only one language. A monorail has got one rail, and then the train somehow travels on that by magic. So mono means one. Very often that will be enough to give you clues to the rest of the words. See you soon. Bye-bye.